Hey, Tefen here from Tefen's Tech, and this is the assembly video for the Secretlab's Titan EVO 2022 edition Cyberpunk extra large. It's a mouthful. Alright, so first off is the base here. First part's supposed to be with the wheels and the base. So here's the wheels that came with it. They are excellent wheels for what they are, and what's great about these kind of wheels is that they pivot very well for being able to swivel and move your chair around quickly, whereas the rollerblade wheels, they do not. See, this is a problem, something people don't understand with rollerblade wheels, is that they don't pivot as well as the other type. So that's one catch. But mine have nice brakes to them, so I can lock the entire chair that it doesn't move at all, which is what I'm going to do. I have my own custom upgraded rollerblade ones here, so I won't be using the ones that come with it. Those will go to another chair. Okay, now you can lock all of these, so that way you can flip it over and tilt with it. It's not going to go all over the place. So there we go. The next step is to insert this piston here and put this cover over it. All right. Now that part's done. This here, this tool here. Remove these with the tool, even though you can just use your fingers. So that way, side. Yeah, they're already plenty loose. No, that ain't up right. Red things in there as it should be. Oh, I think it's just a tight press. Where's that tool? All right, that's one side. Alright, now that side is screwed in, this side lines up. No, it doesn't. That's another thing pushed up. Okay. Now it does, it's just like the other side, you gotta push it down, hold it in place. Alright. All right. Okay. Now those are in there good. There's a spot for a couple other screws to go in there, but no screws included anywhere. I think you just use these magnetic covers anyway. Boom. Boom, there we go. Magnetic covers. Alright. Next. I need to attach the base here. We also had these on. Tool block. Right, alright. There. Alright, now nice and tight. Check these. Yeah, one a little bit loose. There we go. They're all good. I've got one that size on me. Alright. That's about it. Okay. Now we gotta add on the bottom. Alright. Play. Boom. we go. Now, only pain in the butt with brakes on this is that, yeah, my brakes don't do to move it. Oh yeah, gotta get those handles on there still. Ooh. This one's the height. There we go. And boom. All right, those are done. Now I know what this is for. This lock. There we go. All right. Other side. There we go. Now we're able to bring it up. Awesome. Okay. Now for the armrest. Boom. Magnetic. Boom. There we go. And last but not least, finishing touch. The magnetic pillow. Awesome. Alright, and then anyone wondering where the lumbar pillow is, there is not a lumbar pillow because there's automatic lumbar. They're not automatic, but adjustable lumbar through the knot up here. And you can adjust how high or how low you want your lumbar. So, boom. There you go, no lumbar. So, there. Awesome. That over there. Ta-da! There we have it. My own nice custom Secretlab Cyberpunk 2077 extra large Titan EVO 2022 model with my own custom rollerblade wheels for the bottom so I can glide around nice and smooth, but more importantly so I can walk them and keep my chair in position so that way I don't move. There we go. 3 of them is often good enough, so I don't have to do all 5, saving 2 of them. There we go. Alright. All that hard work paid off. And as like usual, gotta do that lay back at the end, and there we go, look at that. Oh yeah, that's awesome. There. Do that. Pillow, oh yeah, the memory foam pillow, oh that's pretty cool. There we go, stick that to the neck. Oh yeah, that's better. Alright, well, Tefen here, signing off. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the unboxing if you haven't already. And, alright. Tefen here saying, have a very happy day. Stay tuned for other videos whenever those come around. Who knows when that'll be. And whenever this actually ended up getting released compared to when I actually recorded it. Okay. There's no guiding track on that side. Only on this side. Feels kind of sketchy then that all of your weight, everything's only being really held by that one side. Not both sides equally. Also, this is no, I'll see no right up. Maybe they set the wrong base with the right top. How we call it? No, base of the Alright, have a very happy day. Wait, why am I always like boom boom, I want to shoot you? Oh, that is just not, that is so not good in our time and age right now.